Hi everyone, welcome to AWS series. In this series, I will show you how to create an Amazon EC2 instance and deploy a simple app on it. In this video, I'll cover how to create an account and I'll walk you through billing dashboard. Let's start. Search Amazon EC2 and we'll skip these ads and click on the link which is aws.amazon.com/ec2/. EC2 stands for Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud. It is a part of Amazon's cloud computing platform, which allows users to rent virtual computer on which they can run their own computer application. Sounds interesting? Let's jump to the account creation steps. AWS account include 12 months of free tier access. After that, they will charge you. Let's fill out this form. Enter your email ID, password and account name and click on continue button. Then here fill out the contact information. Select account type personal and fill out the remaining form. Click on continue button. Now fill out the payment information and click on verify and add button. You will get redirect to the page where you have to enter OTP and validate the card. Click submit button. Then confirm your identity by confirming your mobile number, CAPTCHA. You will get an OTP on mobile number you have provided. Now select the basic plan, which is free. Click here to sign in the console. Select root user, type email ID and type password. Select the location which is near to you. I'll select Singapore. Now I'll show you the most important page, billing dashboard. This is billing and cost management dashboard. Currently I am zero charge. Let me show you pricing. It is free for 12 months, but even if you are in 12-month trial period, you might get charged. Let's check the pricing details. For EC2, which we're gonna use it, is free 750 hours per month, which is around 31 days per month. And this means you can use only one free tier instance at a time. If you use two instances, then your hours will be 31 days into 24 hours into 2 instances, which is double of 750, and then you will get charged. So if you want to create multiple instances, then keep only one instance on at a time and stop other instances. And if you are a student, then I highly suggest you to check billing dashboard periodically. Let me also show you how to close the account. So if your 12 months get over and you don't want to use it anymore, then go to my account, scroll down. Here is account closing option. And now let me go to EC2 services. Click on services and find EC2. It will take some time to activate services. It may take up to 24 hours, but most of the cases it takes 5 to 10 minutes. So I am clicking on EC2 link. This is EC2 dashboard. By clicking on instance, you will see the instance tab where you can create your virtual machine's instance. And these are options you can navigate through. In the next video, I'll show you how to create a new instance of Ubuntu.